This dish is good. This dish is good. Hey family, welcome to another. I am Paddy and I'm back in the kitchen again. But before I begin, why don't you go ahead and subscribe, like, and share this video. Not only share, do me a favor and leave a comment if you are about to try my dish when you see I create it. All right. So I was talking to my queen. Shout out to my queen. And I told her I was going to go to the store and, buy a few items to cook. So she was like, Paddy, what do you have in your fridge? You have chicken from yesterday. Why don't you use that instead of buying something different? So I'm like, okay, I'm going to use that to make this dish, but I still have to go to the store. And she said, tell me what else you have in your fridge, right?
Tell me what else you have in your fridge.
So I told her and she said, yo, all of that will work. So I said, you know what? My Jimmy Neutron brain kicks in. That's when I cook my best. It kicks in. I'm like, you know what? You are absolutely right, my queen. And I'm going to use those items. So I'm going to today make fried rice with all those ingredients that I already have. All right. So come along in the kitchen. Let's toss all these ingredients together and see how it tastes at the end. So guys, these are the things I have in my kitchen already. Bought that chicken from Publix yesterday. Only ate the leg and the thigh. Still have that. This is what I bought. Some steamed veggie. I'm going to use the broccoli and the carrots in this to add to the fried rice. I had some broccoli right here. I'm just going to chop that up. I have the onions. I had this ginger in my fridge for a long time. I'm about to use that. I'm about to try this soy sauce. This is a Filipino soy sauce that I tried and make. I made actually this week. Check out that video. It was chicken adobo. And man, this sauce right here, this soy sauce is absolutely amazing. It's a different taste than your regular soy sauce. Okay, I have the olive oil here. I have toasted sesame seed. I have garlic. Man, I have this charcuterie board, which I'm going to use the Calabrese salami along with the Italian dry sausage. So I already cooked the rice. Usually you want to make that rice or use the rice the day before, like a rice, our day old rice. But I just cooked the rice today and I put it in the fridge for 3 hours and I'm about to put everything together. So let's go. Some olive oil. Garlic. I like to flavor my oil, as y'all know. All right, Alexa, I wasn't talking to you. Then I'm gonna add ginger. I sliced up like what's this, 6 ginger. Gonna add to that. Then we're gonna add the sausage, the Calabrese sausage, and the salami. Ooh, look at that flavor, boy. Add the onions. Racla. So you add the carrots. Ooh wee, this looks really good. I'm gonna add some butter. The roasted sesame seed oil. All right, now I'm gonna add the chicken. Sometimes some people don't like the taste of leftover chicken the next day. But there's ways that you can, season it and kill that that taste, that leftover taste. And I think these ingredients that I'm putting in there should work. All right. And then we're gonna add the rice. Again, I fried up some rice. Now I'm going to add the soy sauce to the mix. Make sure you mix all that ingredients together. And guys, you notice I did not add no salt because I don't think you need salt. Everything is already seasoned. The chicken is seasoned. The sausage has salt in there already. Last thing that I'm going to add, which I already made, is the eggs. And there you have it, guys. Fried rice. Alright guys, so I'm done. The food done and I'm about to taste this fried rice. So it look delicious, right? Ah, man, I'm about to. Let me just see, I cut the ginger. So this way, you know, if you bite into the ginger, you can just spit it out immediately or just take it out of the food before you start eating. But let me taste this. Wow. Wow. Guys, this is really, really good. It's amazing. The flavors, the crunchiness from the sausage. It doesn't taste like leftover chicken. The broccoli, the carrots. This turned out to be an amazing dish. Wow, this is really, really good, guys. So I approve. And yes, you can definitely make something with leftover food, okay? And what I did today is amazing. It's really good. And a Filipino soy sauce, I don't think I'm ever going to use the regular soy sauce again. So guys, until next time on I Am Paddy, I'll see you. Bye.